Alright guys, I want to show you my studio cottage. I pay $1,400 a month and I found this on Craigslist. Let's go inside. Alright, so first thing you'll see, this is like the kitchen area. I'll probably put like a little table right here. We have the refrigerator right here, so it's kind of interesting. It's not by the kitchen area, but this is my kitchen. I have a couple of stuff stocked, like I got some kitchen towels, but here is the counter space. You have the stove. I have a few items stocked. I'll have more later. Microwave, that's good. Here is the sink. A couple of stuff. I don't know where to put all this yet. I just want to lay everything out. What's great about this place, I have my own side backyard and you have a nice view. It's really nice, guys. Another thing I like about this place, there's a lot of storage. So above, well, here's the refrigerator. I haven't really filled anything yet, but it's a good size refrigerator, freezer. Up here above the refrigerator, there's another storage. Looks really good. And in this closet, there's more storage. You could fit a lot in here. I already filled a couple of things. I'm not really sure if this is going to go. I just wanted to start unpacking some items, so that's good. And right here we have a wall heater. Now we're entering into the bedroom area. It doesn't really have, I don't think it really has like a living room. This is a very small studio. I don't know the square feet. But yeah, here's the closet. I already got some hangers here. So a lot of space to put your clothes. And we have some good storage down here. So that's good. This side, there's more stuff to put your stuff. So if I want to put a bunch of boxes, it will go really high. And there's more space to put your clothes. I think this is the thing that controls the wall heater right here. Then we have a little air conditioning. We have another window with a nice, pretty view. Very nice. One of the things I wanted to manifest when I was trying to manifest an apartment was a nice view from the windows. This is very nice. And here's more nice view. There's more of the backyard. I'll show you the backyard after this video, but I get my own private, so guys, this is a private cottage. I don't share any walls, and I get my own side backyard private. So all right, we're gonna go to the bathroom. And a lot of stuff to put, like shower gel, bar soap, whatever. So that's really good. And we have some storage in here. I have a couple items already. And a little more storage down there. All right, now we're going to check my private side yard. So yep, this is my private side yard, guys, my private backyard. It's really nice. I think these are built in right here. Now this window is the kitchen window, so you can see a nice view. So I'm probably going to put like maybe a chair and some tables in this area. We'll go around here. As you can see, this, I don't share any walls. This is my private cottage. So it's really nice. I don't have to share any walls with anybody. I don't have any roommates. So that's really nice. So yeah, this is very beautiful. I can't wait to start unpacking. I'm going to do another video when I get this place furnished. We have some nice plants. That's very nice. Brings good energy to the house, I think. And yeah, we'll just do one last view. Just to show you what kind of place I have. Like I said, I'm gonna put like a little kitchen table here. We have like a little hallway right here. There's space right here. I could put a file cabinet or maybe a bookcase here. Right in this section, I'll probably put like my TV and maybe a little TV stand. I think the bed's gonna go right there. All right, so the next video, guys, I will be doing the furnished apartment.